Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the Meta or Facebook SQL interview question. So if you are going to attend the technical interview into the Meta or Facebook, this question might get asked. So they will give you an data set, and from that data set, they will give you the question like you have to find a percentage. So if you look over here, right, they have given one table called famous, and in this table you have two column, user ID and follower ID. So it represent that it each user ID has particular follower ID. So if you look into the table, right, I have already created the table. So if you look over here, each user, like user one have the particular follower like two followers, so that follower ID is 2 and 3. Okay, so if you look that the follower ID are also can see the follower hierarchy, or in general into the Facebook we can see, like if you are the user of Facebook, then only you can follow others user, right? So what we will do, then we have to find the famous percentage, and they have given the hint like for the finding the famous percentage, we have to find the number of follower each user have divided by total number of followers onto the platform. So if you look over here, right, what they have specifically mentioned in question, like these follower IDs are also user of Facebook. So while finding the total number of the follower on platform, right, we have to think like if one is user, then two which following the one, right, is also the user of Facebook. So we have to include two as well, and might be like few user have not follower followers, so that could not mention into the list, but we have to consider that as well, right, if that they are follower only but they are user of the Facebook. So how we will do? So by seeing this question, right, first thing is arising is like we have to find two factor over here, or two variable. One is like how many followers each user have and total number of the followers on platform. So for finding total number of followers on platform, right, what we will do, we will select this table, famous table. Okay, and first we will find the total users, right? So for that user ID, right, we will take the user ID and we will give this as total user, and just give this union, and we will take the total number of followers. So total number of followers, we will take follower ID, and we can remove the as a statement because the first one will taken as a column over here. So we can see, right, we have find the total number. If you will take union all, then it will take the duplicate value as well, but we don't require the duplicate, we require the distinct value. That's why I've taken union. So if you could look over here, right, we have find the list of the total number of follower Facebook has, like users, list of the total number of users Facebook have. So we have find the list, right? Now what we will do, we will put the CTS statement, we will take the CTS statement, we will put the total users, right? And we will give this, we will create one table and we will put onto that table. Okay. Now next we have to find, we have to find the number of followers each user have. So that is very easy, right? We have to just do groupings. So we will take the select, we will take the table, and we will take user ID. Then we will take the count and we will keep this as a followers. Okay, and we will do the groupings, user ID. So just put the user ID and we can see. So we can see over here, right? Like user ID one have two followers. So we got this list. So what we will do, we will keep this into the another city table followers, and we'll create a we'll in outer query we will do the calculation, percentage calculation. So for that what we will do, we will select and we can look into this question, right, what we have to do, number of followers user have. So number of followers we will take from here, because we have counted, right, number of followers. So just we will take number of followers, right, and we will take the user ID, number of followers, just take this divided by what we will take this total user, right. So for that, what we will do, select, uh, we have to put this into this count star from, we will take total user. So in this table, what we did, we have find the list of the users only, right. So if we'll do the total, we will get the count, like how many users we have. So what we are doing, we are counting the total users. So we have total 15 users, we will get as of 15 over here. So okay, just give this above, then only we can use. So I'm putting over here, and if you look over here, right, you will get this uh, followers. So just put as over here. Now use this. So see, we have total 13 number of user. So we can see how many records we have. We have 13 record, total 13 record. So we have 13 total users. So what we are doing, we are dividing the followers, each user ID followers, by total number of user on platform. Uh, then what we will do, we will multiply it by 100. So we will get the correct result. Now we will give the from a statement, and we will take the followers, because that's our main table. If we will see the result, we can, okay, so, okay, let's not keep this as of now and check what we are getting. Okay, so followers, we are getting 2, right? So 10. Okay, so what we'll do, we will multiply it by 100 over here. Let's find. So we can see over here, right? Like our followers, user one have 15%. So just keep over here as famous percentage. Famous percentage. So if we'll do that, user one have 15%, user one is 15% famous, user two is 7% famous. So similarly, we can see these are the users which are highly famous. So this way you can tackle this question. And like we have the less number of data, right, we are working on less setup of data. If similarly you told, or have been asked for the large amount of data, during that time it will be more like visual visual forms. So at last, like, I want to request you, multiple people, like watching my videos but not subscribing my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's motivate me a lot to upload a new video. And I used to bring such type of the video which is very famous for your interview. So please go and watch my others video as well. I have uploaded multiple videos onto the SQL interview question, which will be very useful for you. So please go and watch my channel and subscribe as well, so you will get the notification of the new videos. Thanks for watching.